Making money with upcycled furniture has become more than just a niche opportunity in today's marketplace. It has evolved into a full-blown movement, one that blends luxury design with eco-friendly living while opening new paths for creativity and profit. Buyers and homeowners alike are increasingly drawn to this type of decor because they crave uniqueness in their living spaces, seeking furniture that tells a story and offers more than mere utility. In a world where mass-produced pieces dominate showrooms and catalogs, people are longing for furniture that feels authentic, pieces that are infused with history, artistry, and character. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of luxury upcycled and eco-friendly wooden furniture design ideas, trends to make money. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Upcycled furniture delivers exactly that, allowing artisans, entrepreneurs, and DIY enthusiasts to transform old, weathered, or forgotten items into new treasures that radiate style, sustainability, and soul. Each creation has a narrative: an old chair turned into a modern statement piece, a worn table reborn as a centerpiece with rustic elegance, a dresser given a fresh identity through color, texture, or design. These items go beyond function. They embody a philosophy, reminding us that beauty can be rediscovered in what many see as waste, and that luxury does not always have to come from something new. The rise of eco-consciousness has propelled this trend even further, as more homeowners are making decisions not just for aesthetics, but also for impact. They want furniture that aligns with their values, pieces that represent mindful consumption and sustainable choices, and upcycled designs perfectly fulfill that desire. The appeal is not only in knowing that a unique piece is gracing their living room, but also in understanding that it contributes to a greener planet by keeping discarded materials out of landfills. That sense of contribution adds emotional value, and when a buyer sees a beautiful piece that also carries an eco-friendly message, the furniture becomes more than decor. It becomes a symbol of lifestyle and identity. For the artisan or entrepreneur, this is where creativity meets profitability, because the market is actively searching for furniture that speaks of responsibility as much as it does of luxury. Luxury, after all, is not about excess anymore. It is about uniqueness, authenticity, and connection, and upcycled furniture has all of these qualities embedded within it. The design possibilities are endless, and that is one of the most powerful aspects of upcycling. Every scratch, curve, or faded surface in an old piece of furniture becomes an opportunity for reinvention. A cracked tabletop can be reshaped into a smaller, modern side table with sleek lines. A set of mismatched chairs can be united through a cohesive color scheme or artistic finish, suddenly becoming a stylish dining set that commands attention. Even broken furniture parts, legs, handles, panels, can be reimagined into entirely new items, from shelving units to wall decor to plant stands. This level of creative freedom empowers makers to stand out in a saturated market, offering buyers something they cannot find in retail chains or big box stores. What makes these creations so profitable is that they carry the magic of transformation, the kind of magic that sparks conversation when guests enter a home and notice a one-of-a-kind piece that feels both modern and timeless. Every buyer knows that they are purchasing more than wood and paint. They are investing in a story, in the imagination of the craftsperson, and in the sustainability of a lifestyle choice. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. As trends in luxury design continue to evolve, the line between eco-friendly and high-end has blurred significantly. In fact, many of the world's most respected designers and decor influencers are now showcasing upcycled and reclaimed pieces as luxury items, presenting them as evidence of sophistication and environmental responsibility. A hand-finished reclaimed wood table, for example, carries the appeal of exclusivity that no mass-produced product can match, because no two reclaimed pieces are ever alike. The imperfections become features, the weathering becomes character, and the artistry of upcycling elevates the piece into the realm of high-end decor. Homeowners, eager to embrace these trends, are investing more and more in furniture that holds personality, creating profitable opportunities for those willing to enter the world of upcycled design. The demand is not slowing down, it is accelerating, driven by both environmental awareness and the human desire for personalization in a world that increasingly feels standardized. For entrepreneurs, the opportunity lies not only in creating upcycled pieces, but also in branding them correctly. Today's buyers are savvy, and they are searching for pieces that feel curated rather than makeshift, luxurious rather than leftover. This means that presentation, storytelling, and craftsmanship are crucial. An upcycled dresser, when marketed as a restored treasure infused with both sustainability and timeless design, will appeal far more to the eco-conscious luxury buyer than one simply labeled as second-hand furniture. The story sells as much as the piece itself, and by sharing the transformation process, whether through photos, videos, or descriptions, makers can connect emotionally with buyers, showing them not just what they are purchasing, but also what it represents. In many cases, buyers are willing to pay premium prices not just for the uniqueness of the design, but for the narrative of sustainability and artistry that comes with it. What makes upcycled furniture especially exciting is its accessibility. Unlike other industries that require massive investments, woodworking and furniture upcycling can begin with small, inexpensive finds, old furniture pieces from thrift shops, yard sales, or even curbside collections. With creativity, vision, and effort, these forgotten items can be elevated into stunning statement pieces that rival luxury showrooms. The low cost of materials compared to the potential market value creates a powerful profit margin, making this one of the most approachable yet lucrative areas of modern entrepreneurship. For DIY enthusiasts who simply enjoy creating, it offers the chance to turn passion into income, while for seasoned artisans, it provides endless opportunities to push creative boundaries and capture the attention of buyers who are hungry for distinctive and sustainable home decor. The emotional impact of upcycled furniture cannot be overlooked either. Buyers often form deeper attachments to upcycled pieces than to brand new store-bought items because they understand that the furniture has lived a previous life and has been carefully reimagined into something beautiful and purposeful. This emotional bond adds intangible value, making the piece more than just furniture. It becomes part of a personal narrative within the home. A reclaimed coffee table may remind the owner that sustainability can be stylish. A brightly repainted vintage cabinet may become the centerpiece of family gatherings. A handmade upcycled bench might carry the charm of blending rustic authenticity with modern design. These stories embed themselves into the lives of homeowners, giving the furniture not only utility but also sentimental significance. In the bigger picture, the rise of making money with upcycled furniture symbolizes a broader shift in society's values towards sustainable living and conscious consumption. People are realizing that they do not have to sacrifice beauty or luxury in order to live responsibly, and that furniture crafted with care, imagination, and respect for materials can rival, or even surpass, factory-made alternatives. For artisans and entrepreneurs, this is the ultimate opportunity to align business with values, to create something that not only generates profit, but also contributes positively to the planet. The success of upcycled furniture lies in its ability to blend artistry with sustainability, luxury with responsibility, and uniqueness with functionality. It proves that profit and purpose do not have to exist separately, they can thrive together. In the end, upcycling is about transformation of materials, of spaces, and of perspectives. What begins as a discarded object becomes a centerpiece. What starts as a hobby becomes a business, and what once seemed ordinary becomes extraordinary. The market is hungry for these transformations, and as long as buyers and homeowners continue to seek uniqueness, authenticity, and eco-friendly solutions, Upcycled furniture will remain not just a trend, but a powerful movement in the woodworking and design landscape. For anyone willing to embrace this journey, the possibilities are as limitless as the imagination, and the rewards are not only financial, but deeply fulfilling, offering a chance to shape a business and a lifestyle where creativity, sustainability, and luxury coexist beautifully. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked luxury upcycled and eco-friendly wooden furniture design ideas, trends to make money. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.